And the defense in the George Zimmerman trial may call its final witness today without putting the neighborhood watch volunteer on the stand. On Tuesday, jurors heard forensic evidence about the gunshot that killed Trayvon Martin. Things got tense in court last night between lawyers and the judge near the end of a 13-hour marathon session.
Judge, I'm not physically able to keep up this pace much longer. It's 10 o'clock at night. We started this morning. We've had full days every day. Weekends, depositions at night.
Mark Strassman is watching those developments at the courthouse in Sanford, Florida. Mark, good morning. Got heated last night.
It did get heated, Nora, and good morning to you. So think about last night this way. The judge and the lawyers were hashing out evidence motions for 6 hours after jurors left the room. So it may be just as well that Zimmerman's defense team could rest its case today. Dr. Vincent DeMaio, a renowned forensic pathologist and an expert on gunshot wounds, was called as a defense witness. In his analysis of the evidence, when Zimmerman pulled the trigger, the gun's muzzle was 2 to 4 inches away from Martin's chest.
This is consistent with Mr. Zimmerman's account that Mr. Martin was over him, leaning forward at the time he was shot.
That is Zimmerman's claim. Martin was on top of him, beating his head into a concrete sidewalk, and that he killed the teenager to save his own life. Prosecutors pushed DeMaio, asking whether the gunshot wound could indicate that Martin was pulling away from Zimmerman.
Trayvon Martin was backing up, backing away in terms of providing an angle, or whether he was going forward. You can't say.
All I said was it's consistent with his account, Mr. Zimmerman's account, that's all.
DeMaio also testified Zimmerman's head had at least 6 injuries from his fight with Martin, injuries consistent with having his head hit concrete. As this divisive case nears its end, the city of Sanford and various communities across America have developed a response plan for the verdict. The sheriff's office in Broward County, Florida, put out this public service announcement urging calm.
I'm Sheriff Scott Israel, and law enforcement does have your back.
Judge Nelson will call the session this morning, and it'll be interesting to see what her demeanor is and everyone else's demeanor is after the marathon session. She essentially walked out last night trying to consider all these different motions. She'll have to rule on 2 of them this morning, both of them about potential evidence, whether to allow a defense animation of the confrontation between Martin and Zimmerman, and also whether to allow some text messages that were found on Trayvon Martin's phone. Anthony, Nora?
Not often you see a judge walk out of a courtroom. Mark Strassman, thanks. Nope.